I just love making stuff with Play-Doh. I'm sure you do too. But I was thinking, why do we need to get Play-Doh from the market? Can't we just make our own Play-Doh? And then that making Play-Doh is as much fun as playing with Play-Doh. That's what I'm going to show you today. And here's how. First, we're going to add 1 cup of flour to our bowl. Now we're going to add half a cup of salt. So actually what we are trying to make here is salt dough. Then we're going to add half a cup water. We're going to pour this into the one. Oopsie. I just spilled a lot of water. That's fine. We're only here to get our hands messy, aren't we? Now let's add it to our bowl carefully. Now it's time to mix it. Okay, our dough looks pretty much ready. Now it's time to splash in some color. One ball, put it into our bowl, and before it dries, let's splash in some yellow. Make a little hole here, and now add our color right in that hole. It feels more sticky, but it's good. The best thing is that it's getting its color. It's fun to get our hands messy. Wow, this looks great. Nice and sunny yellow. So our yellow is ready. Here is our green. From blue, something. Ice ocean. Wow, look at our red. It's become pink because our white salt dough was there and I added red color. It mixed up and it became pink. And I also made a cute little snowman. Say hi. Hi. Wow, what a great little snowman. My colorful Play-Doh is ready. I hope you also try it.